Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all will be fine. Today we will perform a practical of farm machinery and earth moving equipments. I am Engineer Tariq. Our first practical is visit of a farm machinery workshop and drafting of its layout. So today we will visit our farm machinery workshop and you will after the visit end of this practical you will make a sketch of this our all workshop and you will draw on your copies and at the end you will submit to us. Okay, let's start. This is the main gate of our farm machinery workshop. Let's go in. Entered into the workshop. On your left hand there are offices. Different offices for the different staff of farm machinery workshop. So there are 5 different offices for the different officials of our engineering workshop. On the front there are main shutters in the main building. In the buildings there are different lathe machines, CNC machines, tractors are staying there. Let's come inside. Inside the main shutter room there are different machinery. Lathe machines are there, different CNC machines, tractors, 2 tractors are there. CNC machine, drilling and milling machine which is used for drilling and milling operations. Lathe machine, students which are studying manufacturing engineering course come here and perform different practicals. This is mechanical rice planter. Lathe machine, that is drilling machine. Tractors, 2 tractors are there. Students come and learn how to drive a tractor, its different operations, its functions, its working. Students came and hand-on practice are being done in our engineering workshops. Female and male washroom. When you entered into lab, it is the right side of our engineering workshop. Here are different agricultural machinery is lying there. Students come here and perform different practicals for the farm machinery and different farm power courses. You can see here different farm machinery is there. Cultivator, you can see different types of machinery. All machinery which is being used in the agriculture farm is here. So student, this was our first practical visit of a farm machinery workshop and drawing of its layout. So what is your task? In first practical you will draw the layout of our engineering workshop and at the end you will submit it to us. Okay, thank you very much student.